CarMD PRO SCAN gives your shop a powerful, easy-to-use solution that helps increase sales and provides an added value to your customers. Shops using CarMD PRO SCAN are able to inspect the entire network of a vehicle, something visual inspections cannot do. Providing customers with a complete inspection of their vehicle will increase the level of trust that customers have in the shops and give the same capabilities to a shop that the OE dealerships are already using in their service base. As vehicles get more advanced, maintenance intervals are getting longer, causing vehicles to come in less often. CarMD PRO SCAN will help your shop capitalize on every vehicle that comes in your service bay by uncovering any hidden issues a vehicle may have. Setup is easy. Just plug the provided tool into the vehicle's OBD2 port, open the CarMD PRO SCAN app, and follow the on-screen instructions to start the scan. CarMD PRO SCAN was designed to seamlessly fit into your shop's workflow. As it scans, continue with your regular vehicle inspection. By the time you are done with your visual inspection, CarMD PRO SCAN will have collected the vehicle's data, analyzed it, and will have a report ready to view on your shop's portal. CarMD PRO SCAN provides the shop with two customizable reports. One report is shop-specific. It provides detailed technical information such as monitor status, freeze frame data, code description, severity level, verified fixes, TSBs, and recalls. This report is to help assist the technician in diagnosing and uncovering any hidden issues with the vehicle. The other gives your customers an easy-to-understand overview of potential issues on their car, such as check engine light status, battery health, module status, maintenance due, predicted repairs, and any available coupons your shop is promoting. All your reports are stored and grouped by VIN, creating a history for you or your customers to access. CarMD PRO SCAN also allows you to build customized coupons, making it easier for you to upsell to your customers on work uncovered by the scan. CarMD PRO SCAN is the inexpensive data solution your shop has been missing. For more information, visit carmd.com/ProScan. Communication is key with CarMD.